When my father was in the tile business, I don't think they had Makitas like that. Everything was done with tile nippers or a wet saw. Yeah, I'm talking back in the 60s. So he would not let me videotape until I got out of his way, which is smart. So what is he doing now? He has no eye protection. He was able to salvage some pieces in a closet and got them to come up so it would match the front porch, because they don't have any extra tile anymore. They've already used that box when this house was built.
I never did see the inside of your spot.
So he's doing a good job.